Welcome to my channel, Technology in the Future. Samsung Galaxy S23 launch event is coming on February 1st, but we don't have to wait to see the Ultra flagship in hands-on video. If the huge number of the Galaxy S23 leaks was not enough to help you decide whether or not to purchase one of the three Galaxy S23 variants, we now have purported video out in the world of the most expensive option. It appears that struggle units of the upcoming Galaxy S23 Ultra have made it into people's hands as camera samples and an unboxing surface on the Twitter profile page. The unboxing is pretty straightforward. The Galaxy S23 Ultra ships in a box without any accessories except for a SIM tone. The unit in this video looks pretty real and official. Apparently, stores are already getting their Galaxy S23 supply in ahead of the February 1st launch event. Pre-orders will follow right after the press conference, and we expect the three Galaxy S23 handset to hit stores a couple of weeks or later. One of the clips shows the Galaxy S23 Ultra full design. The new Note successor matches previous leaks. Note that we expected surprise. We have a large display with curved bezel and flat top and bottom side on the back. There is a massive camera with no fewer than 4 distinct lenses, including the brand new 200 megapixel shooter. After unboxing the Galaxy S23 Ultra model, the poster also shared a number of sample images, including several that showcase the low light performance of the upcoming handset. Samsung is said to have upgraded the main camera sensor to a 200 megapixel. The samples are not a full resolution, and the point is not to judge their quality, but rather than the light side capabilities of the 200 megapixel camera sensor. It managed to brighten the overall exposure nicely, to say the least. This is not a dummy unit either. The Galaxy S23 Ultra in these clips appears to be a retail version. The person who posted the clips also shared a test of the Galaxy S23 Ultra zoom camera in action. The new Samsung Galaxy S23 also will get green, cream, phantom black, and lavender options. If this leak is accurate, finally even blogs posted online poster for the Galaxy S23 pre-orders event that seemingly incorporated the leak with a new 200 megapixel main camera sensor and improvements to both night photography and zoom. We expect to see quite a few improvements to the photography experience on the new smartphone, but next year the company should focus even more on zoom improvements. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Technology in the Future. Until the next video, take care of yourself. Peace out.